is going on, everybody? It's your boy Soulfly Trades here, back with another banger. And in this video, I will just be explaining the two trades basically that I took today. Three trades actually that I took today. One on SPY, two on QQQ. That netted me around $219 profit. So let's go back to this here. In the beginning of the day, I seen price action, and as you guys can see, this was 6:18. A couple minutes before market open. Market opens at 6:30, and I said I think I may look for shorts, simply because I seen this downtrending fashion, and we did hit this 477 in pre-market and rejected it. So, and I seen us failing to break above this pivot point here. This pivot point right here, this was basically the area I was looking for to short out of. Long story short, at first I got in a little early simply because I seen sellers here. And once price broke above, it stopped me out. Well, I cut it actually. I didn't wait for the candlestick to close because I didn't know if buyers were still present in this demand zone to take price back up to 477. So covering my butt cheeks, I just cut my position right there. But once I started to see us rejecting, it did give me more confidence, since my original plan was to take shorts in this area to short this, and I shorted it. My first price target was 476. I had two contracts. Second price target was this little this daily trend line. And if we could break that, it would have been 475. But once we came down to this daily trend line, and we started to reject in this area, I just played it safe and cut my other position around this area right here. Once we started bouncing on the daily trend line before we just flushed right through it, and that netted me $41 on the day. Like I said, I only had two contracts, and I scalped the first one pretty quickly simply because I didn't know if buyers were present down here still to take us back up to our key, to to reverse price action to make us bullish on the day. So I didn't want to take that chance. So I cut my position, took my profits, $41. I'll take it. That's gas money. That's food money, movie money, whatever you want to call it. That's how you got to start looking at these small wins. You need to start looking at them like that's gas money, things like that, because that adds up. But long story short, let's go ahead here to QQQ. I do want to mention, as I said earlier, I was down around $70 on the day, from mainly the SPY position. QQQ, I had the same plan here. Basically, I wanted puts off of this 411 area here, which we did get. We didn't exactly get to my key level, but I was fine with that since I took puts in this candlestick right here. My stop would have been if we break above this key level, because we would have broke structure, making a new change of structure to the upside, basically insinuating more buyers could step in. If we were to break that, we could have broken hold possibly, but I would have been completely out if we would have came to this level, broke above with volume, and held it with a candle close. But long story short, my first price target was 410. I sold my first contract right here at 410, and the second one was 409. Although I paper handed on this trade, I didn't wait for it to exactly hit 409, simply because I didn't know if we could be liquidity sweeping to sweep back up to the upside, but it's all good. I sold my second contract on QQQ. Give me 1 second. I sold my second contract on QQQ around, I think it was this candlestick right here. Yep. Hold on, give me 1 minute. I need to pull up my smaller time frames here so I can see exactly what I did with QQQ. Trying to find this pop-up that I seen. Okay, I found it. I'm sorry. But basically, my second trade on QQQ, once we came down to this 407, I was looking for a pop-up, puts on pop, basically, since we are bearish on our intraday aspect. I was looking for puts on pop. So we came back up here. And I started to see sellers. So I got a little cheeky and got in, what was it, 2 contracts here or 3? Forgot how many contracts I got right here, but I'm being honest, I was being cheeky right here. Since I knew contracts were fluctuating, moving fast, I scalped it. I think it was around 5 contracts. But the only reason I added on to my risk was because I was so confident that we were gonna, price would at least pull back down some, because obviously sellers are present. Sellers are here. Sellers have taken control, baby. So, that gave me more confidence, especially because I was expecting a sell-off due to the way price action was looking pre-market, and for not being able to break past these certain key levels in pre-market and rejecting them. So I scalped another, what was that? I scalped about $78 on that, or $100 or something. I'm not sure. I'm trying to. No, I scalped $116 off of that. There we go. The 407 puts. Yeah, I scalped $116 off of those 407 puts. And the 411 puts, I scalped I scalped $62. There we go. See, that's why I like that. You get to see exactly what you did, you know. But long story short, that gave me a total profit of $219 on the day. And it's crazy because in the beginning of the day, I was down $70 and I was about to quit for the day because I was $30 away from my max drawdown of the day, which is $100. And I was about to quit for the day, honestly. And I was like, you know what? We've been having terrible price action this whole week. I think I'm done. But this is why I like to tell people, don't give up, because that move you're probably waiting for can happen in the next 10, 15 minutes. You know, that's why we just have to stay consistent. And through time, we will catch those moves through time, because as long as you're staying consistent, covering your risks, having risk management, covering your butt cheeks, you're going to be in the game. It's not like you're going to stop trading and be out the game. So you might as well protect yourself. So when those big moves do come and you are in the right direction of the move, you can capitalize on most of your, contracts and maximize your position. But other than that, man, this was a beautiful week, man. Let's just look since beautiful week. $219 profit. What was it, the 27th, I made $145 profit. Yesterday I made like 32 or 31 or 30. I think I made $37 profit yesterday. So in total, I'm up like 300 something dollars on the week. Just trading very small, very light. But yeah, like I said, if you guys want to join the Discord, which is free for right now, but it won't be free forever, so I suggest you join while it's free right now. The link is in description, and every morning I'm on here giving my game plan, what I'm looking for. I have a live trading floor where, we do voice chat and everything. But other than that, I appreciate everybody for tuning in, and I will catch you guys on the next video. Peace.